Hello Sheddies, and you join me again in my massively unorganised shed. As you may remember, when I did one of my first videos on YouTube, I was showing a tour around my shed where it was all beautifully set out, everything was in its place. Well, I've been doing, as I said in my other video, I've been doing home renovations, and a lot of the work and making out wood or whatever materials is mostly being done in this shed, which is what it's designed to do, amongst other things. But in the current state, it's a workshop, and a messy one at that. And you'll also notice that I've lost my voice. Well, my sort of day job involves a lot of talking, and last week actually did a lot of talking. The weekdays are all being taken up, weekends doing renovations amongst other things, so hence why I've not been on here. But it's not the end. I'm still continuing to plan my next projects in here and next builds. I've got so many ideas, and I've said this in the other videos as well. I sound like a stuck record player, but yeah, I've got loads of ideas of things I want to do. Some of you have shouted out and said, am I still here? Am I still alive? I am. I'm still here. Doug, I'm still here, mate. So yeah, there's plenty more to come. As I say, I'm doing these renovations and I'm filming bits and bobs as I do it, but if you're filming and trying to get work done, I want to get it done as quickly as possible so I can get to back to my project stuff. It's hard to film at the same time, but I am filming. I'll do a bit of a montage at the end and do a bit of a narration over it, if you like, if you're interested in that sort of thing, of course. I've virtually done the bathroom, and I'm just doing downstairs. I'm doing knocking out walls, putting a kitchen in, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's where I'm at. In my last video, I did I got to 2,000 subscribers. So thank you, every one of you, for that. New and old subscribers, and for all the comments. Fantastic. I did a bit of a competition giveaway, and I was going to do like a raffle draw. If you remember, I did the 1,000 raffle draw, and I made it a bit over the top. I've got plans to do it again on this time round, but I just haven't had time. So I'm going to do a draw in a couple of days for everyone who entered in my last video, and it was for a wall stud finder. And I'm going to stick something else in there as well, and there's going to be a second prize and third prize. But I'll do that in a couple of days. It won't be as glamorous as the last draw, but someone's going to win something. Good news is the weather's picking up in the UK. Really happy about that. Last week we had a few days up to 17 degrees, so can't complain. It's a bit cloudy today. Summer's around the corner. That's the main thing. So as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the comments that come through, and it's my hobby. I enjoy it, and I'm having a bit of withdrawal symptoms from it. My plan is to get at least one video out a week with good content as well. So again, thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers. I think I need some soothers, some lockets. Lemon and honey, that'll do it.